Awning window installation in Frisco is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality, especially when considering awning windows Frisco for improved ventilation. With a variety of window style options available, Frisco residents can select the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Custom window solutions are also available, ensuring that each installation meets the unique needs and preferences of the homeowner. Energy-efficient windows in Frisco are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort, and awning windows Frisco are often included in modern efficiency upgrades. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Frisco residential window services offer a range of energy-efficient options, including double-pane windows, which provide excellent insulation and noise reduction. Window frame replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the structural integrity and appearance of your windows, including awning windows Frisco installations. Frisco window frame experts can assess the condition of your existing frames and recommend the best course of action. Whether you need a simple installation or a complete replacement, these professionals ensure that your windows remain secure and visually appealing. Custom windows in Frisco allow homeowners to express their personal style while enhancing their property's value, and awning windows Frisco are a popular customizable option. With a wide range of materials, colors, and designs to choose from, custom window solutions can be tailored to fit any architectural style. Frisco Window Design Consultation Services help homeowners make informed decisions about their window upgrades. Window glass installation is an essential service for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows, including awning windows Frisco. Frisco window glass installation experts can address issues such as cracks, chips, and fogging, restoring your windows to their original condition. Prompt installations can prevent further damage and extend the lifespan of your windows. Home window upgrades in Frisco can significantly enhance the comfort and efficiency of your living space, particularly when upgrading to awning windows Frisco. From energy-efficient windows to advanced window hardware services, there are numerous options available to improve your home's performance. Frisco window installation experts can guide you through the process, ensuring that your upgrades meet your specific needs. Window seal replacement is vital for maintaining the energy efficiency and weatherproofing of your windows, especially for awning windows Frisco systems. Frisco window seal replacement services ensure that your windows are properly sealed, preventing drafts and moisture intrusion. This service is particularly important for double-pane windows, which rely on a tight seal to function effectively. Double-pane windows in Frisco are a popular choice for homeowners seeking improved insulation and noise reduction, and they pair well with awning windows Frisco designs. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a sealed airspace in between, providing superior thermal performance. Frisco window installation experts can help you select the best double-pane windows for your home. Window hardware services in Frisco include the installation and replacement of essential components such as locks, hinges, and handles for awning windows Frisco. Properly functioning hardware is crucial for the security and ease of operation of your windows. Frisco window hardware experts can ensure that your windows are equipped with high-quality, durable hardware. Window screen installation in Frisco is an excellent way to enjoy fresh air while keeping insects and debris out of your home, especially with awning windows Frisco. Frisco window screen installation services offer a variety of screen options, including retractable and custom-fit screens, to suit your specific needs. Frisco residents seeking energy-efficient windows will find a variety of options tailored to their needs, including awning windows Frisco. Energy-efficient windows Frisco are designed to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. With double-pane windows Frisco, homeowners can enjoy enhanced insulation and noise reduction. Frisco window insulation services ensure that your home remains comfortable year-round, while window weatherproofing Frisco protects against the elements. For those interested in custom window solutions, Frisco offers a range of options that include awning windows Frisco. Custom windows Frisco allow homeowners to choose from various window style options to match their home's aesthetic. Frisco Window Design Consultation Services provide expert advice on selecting the perfect windows for your home. Window Measurement Frisco ensures a perfect fit, while Frisco window frame experts handle the installation with precision. Awning window installation is a popular choice in Frisco, and Awning windows Frisco offer both style and functionality. Awning window replacement Frisco services provide homeowners with modern, energy-efficient options. Frisco residential window services include comprehensive window maintenance Frisco to keep your windows in top condition. Window hardware services Frisco ensure that all components function smoothly, while window screen installation Frisco adds an extra layer of protection. Window replacement cost is a crucial consideration for Frisco homeowners upgrading to Awning windows Frisco. Frisco window replacement financing options make it easier to upgrade your windows without breaking the bank. Window installation Frisco experts provide detailed window installation reviews to help you make informed decisions. Frisco window warranty services offer peace of mind, ensuring your investment is protected. Window glass installation Frisco is essential for maintaining the integrity of your windows, including Awning windows Frisco. Frisco window glass installation services address issues promptly, preventing further damage. Home window upgrades Frisco include window seal replacement Frisco to enhance energy efficiency. Frisco window seal replacement services ensure that your windows remain airtight, reducing energy loss. Window cleaning services Frisco keep your windows sparkling and clear, including Awning windows Frisco. Frisco window cleaning services use professional techniques to remove dirt and grime. Window tinting Frisco offers privacy and UV protection, enhancing the comfort of your home. Frisco window tinting options are available in various shades to suit your preferences. Window noise reduction Frisco is a priority for those living in busy areas, and Awning windows Frisco can contribute to better sound control. Double-pane windows Frisco provide excellent sound insulation, creating a peaceful indoor environment. Frisco window safety features include locks and sensors to enhance security. Window safety features Frisco are designed to protect your home and family. Window replacement reviews Frisco provide valuable insights into the experiences of other homeowners who installed Awning windows Frisco. Frisco window installation reviews highlight the expertise and professionalism of local window installation experts. Window installation experts Frisco are committed to delivering high-quality service and customer satisfaction. Frisco window installation experts ensure that your new windows are installed correctly and efficiently.